Dito na lang ako sa likod. Sige, isa na lang.
Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I miss you so bad. I missed you so bad, and you should know that. Though we talked to each other, people we used to be, sitting hard in the picture, you're not being extra. It's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And if that's our first, you'll miss it all over the bridges. But yeah, your still was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing, hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? I'm trying to go. Change our plans on you. Where have the times gone? Maybe it's all wrong. Where have the plans we made for two? You took your time with a call. I took no time with a fall. You gave me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and still half a sudden it's real. I didn't know I would feel it, that it's in my way. I was wasting my nights, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, stuck in the time when we go in love, or even the sun sets in paradise. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me baby. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me baby. Happy ever.
Doon lagi si Bella.